everyone! Now it's workbook time! So for this part of our lesson, we will be answering page 9 of your workbook. This is for letter L. Here you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now, do you remember what ascending order means? If you do, try to think of the answer for number 1. For example, number 1, which one do you think should come first? So you are given 5 numbers. Which of these 5 numbers should come first if you have to order them using ascending order? Try to think of your answer from the starting number until the last one. Look carefully at every number and try to think of the correct answer. If you are finished, continue answering number 2. Here, still have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So look carefully at every number and try to think which one should come first. Next number until the last number. Try to think of your answer. If you are finished, we can now see the correct answers. Again, we are doing page 9, and this is letter L. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. If you remember from our previous lesson, ascending order means the numbers should be arranged starting from the smallest, going up to the greatest number. So for example, number 1, which one do you think is the smallest number? Now, the correct answer for this example is 23,487. This one is the smallest number. Now, this should be followed by 23,784. The third number should be 32,847. And for the last 2 numbers, we have 34,748. And for this example, the greatest number is 37,478. I hope that you got every correct answer for this example. Now let's see the answers for number 2. For example number 2, we are still doing letter L. Again, arrange the numbers in ascending order. So we have to start from the smallest, going up to the greatest number. For this example, from the 5 numbers shown here, the smallest number is 26,649. Now this number is followed by 42,923. Now let's see the third number. Third number should be 46,932. And for the last 2 numbers, the next number is 62,942. And the greatest number for this example is 64,293. Now, I do hope that you got all the answers correct. Are you ready to go to the next part? For the next part of our practice, we are doing letter M. This one is still on page 9 of your workbook. Here you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Now, I do hope you still remember what descending order means. So try to think of the answer for example number 1. Again, try to think which number should come first until the last one. So you are given 5 numbers that you have to arrange. Try to think of your answer. If you are finished, try to answer also number 2. Again, you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So look carefully at every number and try to decide which one should come first, next one, until the last number. Try to think of your answer. If you are now ready, we can now take a look at the correct answers. So again, we're doing letter M, where you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So here are the correct answers. For number 1, the first number should be 85,165. So this one means that if you have to arrange numbers in descending order, you have to order them starting from the greatest number going down to the smallest number. Remember, these descending starts with D, and D is also for going down. So the greatest number here is 85,165. And then we go down to 81,657. Going down to 81,576. The next number is now 68,571. And the smallest number for this example is 65,817. I hope that you got every answer correct for this example. Again, try to remember descending order means starting from the greatest number going down to the smallest. So let's see if you got the correct answers for number 2. Again, you still have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Here is example number 2. So from the 5 numbers given, which one do you think should come first? So remember, we have to start with the greatest number. For this example, the greatest number is 93,421. Which one do you think is the next number? Now, if your answer is 92,314, then that is the correct answer. The third number should be 39,124. Now, for the last 2 numbers, the next number is now 34,912. And the smallest number for this example is 31,419. So how many correct answers were you able to get from our workbook practice? I hope that you will remember the difference between ascending order and descending order. Again, ascending order should start from smallest to greatest number. And for descending order, we start from the greatest number, just like the one in this example, starting from the greatest number and then going down to the smallest number. Try to review the lesson whenever you have the time. So this is where we end our class for today. I hope to see you all next time. Try to keep on practicing at home whenever you have the time. I hope that you will stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Always take care and have a good day. Bye, everyone.